Hi, guys, and good morning. This is NCWQ here, and we are taking a look at the earthquake so far in California since midnight, my time, Eastern Standard Time, until now. Our first earthquake in Northern California was a 4.0, and we are going to go look at the area where this occurred. So we can see that there is a swarm that is in this area. So let's see if I can find the 4.0, and that was this one. And it was at a depth of 0 kilometers. And this is Graffiti Cave over here. This is the Great Valley Fault over here. The next earthquake was a 2.1, which is within the same area. And there was a 3.3, which was along the Mendocino Fault. And this is the Oceanic Transform Fault here, and the subduction zone here. This here is the San Andreas offshore over in this area, which runs up to the North American, it's part of the North American Pacific Plate, but it runs up to the Mendocino Fault. The next earthquake was a 3.5. And this is back in our swarmed location here near Graffiti Cave. And there was a 4.5 within that same location. There was a 2.3 and another swarm location that is going on. This is down here by the Lavic Lake Volcanic Center, and it's a volcano field. This fault line here is the Helendale Fault. This fault line over here is the Mirage Valley Fault. And this little one here is the Kramer Hills Fault. The next earthquake was a 3.1, occurring in our little field location, swarm location, sorry. The next one was a 2.1 in that same swarm location. The next one was a 2.6. This 2.6 is occurring at the North American Pacific Plate, and also the San Andreas, San Bernardino South Fault Line. We can see where this is occurring here. There is also a town here. The next one was a 3.2, and that's occurring back at the swarm location. The next one was a 3.0, Greater Los Angeles area, California. We can see that the Fontana Fault is here, and the Red Hill Etiwanda Fault is over here. We have quite a few little faults in this area. The San Madre Fault is here, and San Jacinto is here. The last one was a 3.1, and it's back at our swarm location. Now, if anybody will recall, within the past week, there was a swarm that was going on up here, part of the Juan de Fuca. And I've been watching. I believe that this is all caused from pressure moving down the Juan de Fuca into the Mendocino, down through the San Andreas, and ending up with a swarm in these two locations, these being the last ones here. Anyways, there may be more activity, but as far as seeing anything large occurring, I do not believe that there will be anything large to worry about, as it seems that the pressure is being alleviated through swarms of volcanic earthquakes. Anyways, you guys, just thought I'd give my 2 cents. Hope y'all are doing well. Please take good care of yourselves and each other. Remember, for every action, there is a reaction. So when you have a big swarm going on over here, you're more than likely to see a ripple down effect. Anyways, you guys, much love. God bless and have a great day.